That goes up, up, down. This turns this way. This makes it go this way and this way, I believe. You shouldn't be near anything.
How do I get it to go up again?
Oh. Go ahead, give it a little gas. Go up. Now let go. Right. Not near the tree. The front of it. Oh, we're in the tree. As long as you got it low and it gets in the tree, it ain't gonna be too bad. There you go. The green is the back. See the green? The green in the front is the front, and the green in the back is the back.
So it stays hover unless you bring it down.
Yeah, it will. See? And you can see it right here too. Somewhere. Yes. It's actually a decent drone for $5. It actually works. I like that last one I had. And it's recording everything you're doing right now. I don't know if it records the voice or not. And then I'll put them on. I'll put on YouTube. Well, I have like 3 or 4 videos today. Oh, right out to got to the tomatoes. I knew it.
Damn it! I was trying not to get the tomatoes.
Let go of the thing. It's facing this way. So forward's that way. Let go and then go. There you go. Then you go down and come up and come up. What are you trying to do? Take my head off? Get me in the eyeball. Yeah, if we break it, we break it. I mean, it wasn't expensive, but it does work, and the camera works too. Huh?
No.
Yep. I'll just stand right here. I'm good. Oh.
I sat it down.
Did you?
Yeah. I know I did it.
Huh. Because the batteries don't last that long because of...
It being a tiny battery.
No, they're old. Good. Will it still work? Oh, Brady.
I didn't even press anything.
Yeah, you press down and stop it. Good. Just try to stay away from the big trees because we have action getting out of there. Oh, there goes the bus. Right on top of us. Oh no, you can't see it. Just push down. All the way down, all the way down. There it goes. At least we had a gate.
It's not that easy to. It's easy, but not. It's not real.
Yeah, it's not too easy yet. After you get used to it,
It's easy, but it's not easy. It's not easy to
No.
tell the controllers.
No. And this right here, the green is the reverse. Go ahead. See where to go. It needs adjusted too. It's somehow you can adjust it from because it goes itself backwards. Forwards. Oh, forgot the grill. Oh, what'd you do? I heard something beep. Nothing. Here. We're gonna see if there's any wax in here. Good. I tried to fly through the bus earlier. It won't hurt you, but you don't want to smack your finger because it probably will sting.
Stay down. Touch the ground.
If you go up a hair to stay at that one spot. It's got GPS in it or something somehow. Oh, there goes the wood. Oh, you're done. Go all the way down. Push all the way down. Yeah.
I'm all the way down.
Yeah, it sets it off. Good.
It's kind of easy, but it's not
yeah,
like...
gotta get a little more gas or it's gonna fall.
Oh, come on. Get away from the fence.
Alright, let's go back out there. I got one.
What are these buttons for?
Oh, you want to see? I'll show you real quick. Oh, does this. See if I can get it to do it. If you hold this one, I think it's, do it right. Never knew. I don't know. If I can get the, see, it needs adjusted. If you hold this and you go, sweet, did it wrong again. It does flips. Maybe I'm pushing the wrong one. Yep, that's the wrong way. There, see it. It's this one. This one, you push this.
The back one.
And then you push this one, does another one. It's supposed to, it's something. Now you're facing forward that way. Gotcha. Now you're, yeah. Ooh, there goes car. That's what I said, $12. Yeah, well, it's one we want. 2 brakes and then we can get another one. They're only for like $30 new, this one. Good. Gotta get it. Yeah. But the battery won't take a charge. It takes, there you go. And that'd be on the video if we can figure out how to get the videos. Oh, just push down, all the way down. It'll land. Can't see it.
Did it land?
You can see it on here, but we don't want it up in one of them.
I can't. The only thing I see is trees.
What? See here. Any here, Flex? By the time it turns it on, alright.
Like you get it, like it gets stuck.
What?
The camera sometimes.
Yeah, because it's so far away. It's, you ready? It's working on Wi-Fi.
I don't know which way I'm going.
The black piece in the back is reverse. You're right into it. Bam. No, you still got it. No, you had it. No, you did.
I almost cleared it.
When it starts blinking, they say, that's, oh, it's starting to blink, but that's when it's dying. All right.
I'm still learning it.
Yeah. You should have seen me. I tried to fly it in my room. So I took my head off twice. Oh no!
I'll put it right there. We can still see it.
Yeah. If not, it's going to stay in there. I'm not going for it. I'll make the kids go for it.
No, we won't send the kids in there either.
Why? Hey, it's a snake? Go ahead, give us some gas. Off the floors. There you go. It just needs adjusted, because see, it wants to go one way or the other way automatically.
Come down, come down, come down.
Oh yeah.
I didn't even do anything, I just let it go.
No, I think, let me see, I think the battery's about dead. No, here, see in a second. No, it ain't. Here. Keep on. Now, that front, yeah, that's, whoa! About to yourself. Hey, hey. Oh.
I landed it.
If the grass wasn't there, it'd take off too. Go ahead. Now, this is the front right here. Actually, the red, see the red, there you go. The red dots, that's the front. Someone will be watching the video and get seasick. Oh. It's your turn. You're the one getting that one. It won't come back up. Make sure it's all the way down, because it burn the motor up. I'll let you play that.
Grass.
To the left. So you're to your right. You're right. Right. Right.
This is my right.
Yeah, right there. That's where it is. Right about in there somewhere. Right up in here. Crunch. That's where I landed, right in here.
Thought it's where it landed.
I did. Thanks for all I took it. Let me see your thing. Trust him. Listen, see if we can hear it. Still recording. We done lost our drone. What'd you do with it, Cat?